welcome to our vlog as a students, where we dive into the world of Jollibee's famous mix and match. As students, we're on the mission to explore the endless flavors, combinations, and affordability of Jollibee mix and match menu. Join us as we taste and rate the mouth-watering combinations. If you're a student and looking for budget-friendly and delicious meal options, this vlog is for you. So grab your appetite and let's embark on the mix and match adventures with Jollibee. Spaghetti. Burger steak.
Tuna pie.
Burger steak o float. Burger steak o float. Spaghetti o pineapple.
So we're here today in Jollibee.
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Nami karon sa Jollibee.
Yes, nitingog naman Jollibee. Ha?
Kamuray ko ha? The burger meat, mix and match, sure kaya sa mga budget, like student-friendly na budget. And then, initial tanan is the price na siya, 384. And then, ganun siya, ako siyang i-rate for 5 to, like 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Ako siyang i-rate. So, let's go!
Sige, let's go. So, Anda, unsa may imong gi-order ana Anda?
So, akong order is Coke Float and burger steak.
Yay! Lanutan!
Hi guys! Akong order kay Buko Pandan.
And, sa imong pares?
Kuan.
Burger. Dodong, unsa imong gi-order?
Ikat na di ba?
Bench.
Spaghetti o.
Wala lang.
Spaghetti then isa pa.
Ito na pa ito ba yun? Galing. Sila pie. So ba?
Dodong bench, sa imong order? Tuna pie, dayon.
Juice.
Okay.
Yes,
Imong
so
meals?
my order is spaghetti.
Spaghetti with...
Coke float.
And then ako akay spaghetti and pineapple juice.
So, Miss Lanutan for burger and sanay buko pandan. So, saan nyo mo na pag-rate?
Guys, try hamburger. Dayon, rate ako ni 8/10. Kaya iyahang singan ani? Kaning pan ba? Kaning bread. Gamay-gamay na siya guys. Dayon, okay naman ang patty niya. Then, ang iyahang mayonnaise kay do tayo sa ugara tayo. Dayon, ang kaning Sunday. Sinuot guys, na ibo ko pandan. Napoy ko ang buko.
I-rating mo siya og
Rate na ko 9/10.
Ikaw sa Coke float.
So, akong order is burger steak and roast. So, akong rate ani is sa burger steak 10/10. Kay lamit siya. Then, siya mga mushrooms. And then sa Coke float is 9/10.
Tingnan mo, ma.
Pero, medyo tamis-tamis na tayo.
for Miss Christine.
So, for the spaghetti, so my rate for this is 10/10. Kaya ang spaghetti nila is dili kayo siya lata and I really like kay daghan ko siyang cheese, so 10/10. And for the Coke float, so it's 8/10 because gamay ra kayo nga kuan ilang gibutan. Coke. So that's pero lamig siya, good. Very student-friendly, go na.
Okay, for their tuna paina, I rate them 9 because the crispiness, of course, the food tasty good siya. Then for the juice as well. So good siya kay init man kayo ra. So I give also 9. And so far, the best.